Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and esteemed partners, a very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to the historic launch event of Scan Global Asia 100% Zero Emission Vehicle, proudly brought to you by Scan Global Logistics and HTH Corporation.
Very proud and honored to be here in front of you guys. I will not steal the thunder from Mr. Alan Ong, our head of road freight, that will tell all about the technicality of the truck and the possibilities of it, regarded as the first EV cross-border truck in Penang and Malaysia. To officiate this launch, which signifies a new partnership between Scan Global Logistics and HTH Corporation.
This event signifies not only the unveiling of new vehicles, but a leap forward in our commitment to innovation, sustainability, and excellence in the transport and logistics industry.